Welcome to my second channel. If you are coming over from my main channel, Elizabeth Grace, hi, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, hello, welcome. This is the first video on this channel. I wanted to just create a little introduction, introducing myself, and just letting you know what you can expect for this channel and why I decided to create a second channel. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So my name is Liz, and I have a main channel called Elizabeth Grace where I talk about minimalism, zero waste, and finances, and kind of just general lifestyle content videos. And I've really enjoyed making videos on that channel, but a part of me wanted to create a second channel just as a fresh start, as something new and exciting. Through the years of making YouTube videos, I have learned that the less topics you kind of talk about, the better your channel will be, because then people know exactly what they're subscribing for and what they're going to get. And I, as a person, am not just interested in one topic. I have a lot of interests and things that I like to do and things that I want to talk about. So instead of making these videos on my main channel, I wanted to make them here on this new channel so that you know exactly what you're getting here and you know exactly what you're getting over there on Elizabeth Grace. A little bit about me. I am 24 years old. I am engaged currently, and I am getting married this year in October. Currently, me and my fiance are choosing to live in my parents' house in order to save money. If you would like to learn a little bit more of that, I share my entire financial journey over on my main channel, and I share a lot of money saving tips and things like that, and just kind of the reasons why we are living with my parents. But main reason is to save money. We really want to purchase a home right away. We don't want to rent first and then purchase a home. We are looking to just go straight into a house, and we are looking to get a house that needs to be fixed up. We both really want to purchase a home with a tiny bit of land, and when I say that, I mean anything from like half an acre to 5 acres. Really depends on like what we can find, but not a huge amount of land. And we are specifically looking for some older homes. We want to find something to fix up and kind of document the process of doing that. So that is another reason why I created this second channel, is because I am a believer in the law of attraction and kind of working towards your goals as if you've already kind of attained them or if you're about to attain them. And for that reason, I wanted to start this channel early. Yes, we haven't moved out yet. Yes, we haven't found a house yet, but I know that we will. And when we do, this channel will be already up and running and you'll know what to expect. So for the time being, because that's kind of going to be the main focus of this channel, is when we do purchase a home, we're going to be doing a lot of fixing it up and kind of like restoring and things like that. Hopefully we can find exactly what we're looking for. It might change a little bit, I don't know. Some of the other topics that I want to include on this channel are gardening, sewing, DIY, and kind of low waste cooking, low waste eating, things like that. I get a lot of requests to do what I eat in a day on my channel, and I eat plant-based, including a lot of plant-based recipes, maybe some plant-based grocery hauls, things like that. I am going to be doing a small kind of container style garden this year, so I will be creating those videos on this channel as well. So you guys have been asking for a lot of like sewing and crocheting videos. All of that is going to live here on this channel. Think of this channel as like my crafty side. All of the things that I like to craft and DIY and create is going to be on this channel. So I have a couple of videos planned for the very near future, so if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to be able to get this channel monetized and like set up and ready to go for when we do move out so that we can earn a little bit of income from this channel. And I believe the current status for monetization is 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, which I don't think we will have any problem reaching on this channel. You guys are awesome. And I really look forward to creating some more and different styles of content for you. And I'm going to end this video here because I don't want to make it too long, but I will see you guys in my next video on this brand new channel. I'm very excited for what's going to come.